relying on the booming industrial ecology of the Greater Bay Area. A dedicated seed of baking equipment finally broke through the ground and has grown into a global industry chain, Forest Manufacturing. Innovation-driven, iterative upgrades. Professional R&D team focuses on baking equipment field, combining market demand and the upgrading trend of baking industry process. Continuously develop intelligent and automated, energy-saving new equipment, providing customers with customized baking production solutions. Baking Precision Empowerment, the fully automatic laser cutting workshop. Equipped with high-precision laser cutting equipment, it realizes stainless steel and alloys without burrs. High-precision cutting, micron-level control of size errors, ensuring the fit and durability of equipment and accessories. Digital control empowers efficient, standardized, and fully automatic CNC punch press workshop. Through digital programming control to complete punching, stamping, and shaping of various parts, processing, batch production with uniform accuracy and efficiency. Completely avoid manual processing errors. Perfect forming, precise angle, the fully automatic bending workshop. It realizes the automatic bending of sheet metal parts, precisely control every bending angle, arc, and size, ensuring the tight fit of the baking equipment's sheet metal with a flat appearance and stable structure. Professional workers for the load-bearing structure of baking equipment. Fine assembly and craftsmanship. Standardized assembly workshop. Follow standardized assembly process. From parts matching and line connection to final assembly, every process is refined, ensuring each equipment runs smoothly. Stable performance. Rigorous quality inspection. Quality assurance with exclusive quality inspection center, covering a full dimensional testing system from the accuracy of accessories, equipment performance, temperature control systems running stability, to safety standards. Each device has undergone multiple rounds of strict testing, and unqualified products will not be shipped. Professional service. Precise docking. The senior sales team is deeply involved in the baking equipment industry, familiar with various stores, factories, and chain brands' production needs. We match customers one-on-one, and equipment solutions. Provide efficient and professional pre-sales consultation and planning, and services. Full escort. After-sales worry-free with a perfect after-sales service system. It covers equipment installation, commissioning, training, lifetime technical support, quick response to customer needs. Let every customer feel at ease when buying and using. From intelligent production to strict quality control. From technology research and development to the whole process service. We use fine workmanship. We create professional baking equipment, helping thousands of baking enterprises produce efficiently and steady development. Yaslin builds the future of baking with ingenuity. Looking forward to working with you to create a new Yaslin, make bakery easy.